So the child tax credit portal just got updated where you can update your banking information. You can still opt out, but there's also some information on opting out later on. So if you find that you don't want to take the child tax credit in a month or two, you could still opt out at that time. And we can also update whether or not you have direct deposit or not. So let's get into it. Let's go through the portal. I'll log in. I'll show you exactly where to look so you can do it for yourself. But before we do, if this is your first time at our channel or you haven't subscribed, click on the subscribe button at the bottom. My name is Travis Sickle, certified financial planner, helping you reach your financial goals. So here we go with the IRS's website. And if I clicked on the news, it did say that they updated it in this first article right here, where it says families receiving the monthly child tax credit payments can now update their direct deposit information. So if you just click on the link, you'll go to the portal, and this one just says manage your advance payments. If I just click back for a quick second and we scroll down, we could see the main page, and I believe the link is right here. This link right here, it says the advanced child tax credit 2021. This page will have both the managed payments and also for non-filers. So if you are a non-filer, you can click there. I've talked about it in I've talked about that in previous videos, so you can check that out. But we're gonna look at the managed payments. So this button and the previous button that we just looked at, same thing. Let's go ahead and click on manage payments. Again, it brings us to this page. Click on manage payment, advanced payments, and then you can either, if you haven't already, go ahead and create your account. I did that on a previous video for opting out. So watch that video if you want to see how to create your account. It's pretty easy, pretty quick process. Just click on that link and it'll walk you through a couple of prompts. The one that I'm going to go in is sign in. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in here and we can see what it looks like. So I will log in. It's going to text you two-step authentication. So we're going to wait for that on my phone. And let's see what we got here. 016501, one-time use. There we go. All right, we're about to log in. I wanted to take a second to thank our sponsor of this video and several other of our videos, The Coldest Water. This is one of their bottles, the Coldest Water bottle. I'll leave a link in the description at the bottom. Go ahead and buy yourself a bottle, support the channel, and thank you to The Coldest Water. Waiting for it. You are now returning. Here we go. All right. So I already opted out. But I could go in and take a look at my information. Now, from my screen, yours might look a little different if you haven't already opted out. But if you click on this link right here that says your profile, that is where it's going to have your direct deposit information. And then there's an edit button. You click on the edit button, and then you can go ahead and you can enter in either your new account information or update your account information. So they already have my direct deposit. So as soon as I clicked on that button, it all went away and I have to re-enter everything in order to do it. So, and then I would just click this button down here that says submit payment information, and that will be updated. I'm gonna click cancel because I'm not doing it. I've already opted out, but I wanted to show you where you can update your information. Now, if they don't have your direct deposit information, you still want to get paid, then they're going to send it to the address of record. So you want to make sure that that is updated as well. And down here it says how to change your profile information, mailing address. Check your mailing address on file and find out how to change it in your online portal account. Is that what that says? And then you can log in here and update your address. So you can do that in your account online. In your online account, if I can read that correctly. In your online account, you can update your address, but if you want it direct deposited, then you just go ahead and enter in your banking information and that will get updated. And to go back to that main screen for just a second, we could see the eligibility. So here's what it's saying for me, and I opted out a few days ago. So it's saying status is eligible, and then it's saying the status unenrollment processing. Check back in the next few days to confirm your unenrollment was successful. Submitted June 25th, 2021. So that's the updated information right there. So they're going to keep updating it. That's what the IRS said the other day when I called in. I haven't called in again to check how you add more dependents. So that is probably going to be something that's going to get updated. That is, I'm looking at this thing. that is what the IRS has said. When I called in to the IRS agent or the IRS hotline for professionals, I called in, asked them, what if you had a newborn in 2021? They're still eligible. You could still get that advanced child tax credit on them, but you need to be able to get it updated. And that's obviously not up yet. So as soon as it is, I'll go ahead and post it. But if you do find something, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll go ahead and take a look to let everybody else know. And if you've enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and leave your comments down at the bottom.